Ready?
There in the frame?
Yeah, you are there in the frame.
I hope you don't crop me out.
नहीं नहीं,
तो लगा लो.
ऐसे कुछ बोल के तो देखो.
सब बढ़िया है.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shrishti's Makeup Company and today we are here with a very exciting video. Today's video is basically all about unboxing my PR boxes with my sister. So this is Twara and she's come over today just to see कि मेरे पास क्या क्या है and trust me
मैं क्या क्या ले सकती हूँ क्योंकि my vanity is over and I think the best place to shop is from her.
I have
So
no
here we
idea
are.
that by the end of this video मेरे पास actually कितने डब्बे बच जाएंगे because she's quite the chore. But ठीक है, I mean, you know, I thought it's going to be fun. So let's get unboxing and let me show you all the PRs that I've recently received. And it's going to be fun, so watch till the end. Okay, so we also have something very exciting and you have to watch this video till the end because we have hidden a giveaway somewhere in the middle. In products में से कोई ऐसा product हम आपको देंगे and all you have to do is subscribe to our channel, that is Shrishti's Makeup Company. Follow me on Instagram, that is also Shrishti's Makeup Company, and leave a beautiful comment नीचे जो I think पढ़ के मजा आ जाए, right?
So it's not only me who's going to get, you know, something out of this
Right.
video, so are you guys. So jaldi se leave a comment below,
Right.
and subscribe to the channel and on Instagram, and you shall also receive something beautiful from these PR packages.
Right.
Let's do that now. Let's go.
Let's go. So the first one we have here is lip plumpers from Tipsy Beauty. It's one of nazar pad chuki hai iski already.
I really like Tipsy as a brand. They're so affordable and
Yeah.
so good.
That's one thing. ये
What
थोड़ा-
did they send?
So this is love all the way from Korea. मैंने इतनी बार इसे खोल लिया है कि मतलब इसका थोड़ा गम निकल गया. But it was a very cute PR box that they had taken out for their 4 beautiful shades of lip plumpers, and they actually work. You know, like if you use them and.
So the shade names are Bubble Tea, Cherry Blossom, K-pop, and Seoul Mate.
Yeah, it's Seoul Mate.
Seoul
So they've
Mate.
made this
That's
like
so cute.
Yeah, so they've made this like around the concepts of Korea. So it's like, you know, the K-pop culture, the festive season where you have the cherry blossom trees, and that's how they've like named the shades, and that is what they also represent. So, okay, which one's your favorite?
I'm trying to take that out.
Let
One
me help
second.
you.
This one. I want to see the bubble tea.
I'm also trying, one second. Okay, so you're trying bubble tea. I'll try soulmate. So let's try, look at the camera. Okay, let's do this. Let's try and oh, 1 second, ये box में confusion हो गई थी. This is bubble tea. वो I kept it ulta, and this is soulmate. Oh, we picked it out like एकदम एक दूसरे का. So we're also trying a challenge in front of you guys where we are trying to apply these lip plumpers without any mirror. Chal, let's see.
You do not do this to guests you invite on your own channel.
Guests don't chori karo PR also, then that's fine.
I'm gonna be better at it.
Okay, let's try this, okay? Let's... Oh, should I put it on my dant? Sorry, dant mein lag gaya. Okay, let's see. So,
Okay.
I've been using Tipsy Beauty, I think, for the longest. And I have been promoting Tipsy Beauty for the reason being that they're very true to their product. They're very true to the product that they make, and don't they
So
feel like
soft.
nice? See?
How does it look?
That looks very nice. Mine? Nice, na?
Full chunko you are.
है ना? It's got this nice sparkle particles.
Very nice.
And
Great.
the one thing I like about them is that they have variety. They are very affordable, and they have something new every now and then, which just keeps you engaged to the brand. So that is something that I really like about Tipsy. And yeah, now
Thank
which one
you for the lovely package. I'm sure it'll look really great on my vanity. And
Oh, you want to
yeah.
take the entire package?
Thank you, Tipsy Beauty.
थोड़ा ना ये I think off camera लड़ाई होगी, I'm sure. To the next one now.
So next we're going to try this, which is from a brand 52 Sundays. And what is it about?
So this is a very cute PR package I received maybe like a week ago, and I did not know something like this exists in the market. मेरे बहुत काम की चीज़ है, I'll tell you why. Because so I generally am a person, and so is she, that we apply a lot of makeup and roam around, and sunscreen is a problem.
And it happens with me that when I've put makeup and I forget sunscreen, I'm like, chodo yaar, kaun lagayega, forget it. But it's so bad for your skin.
Exactly. So
But
this product is for people like you and me. This is a rice water SPF that you can apply on top of your makeup, and the promise is, and it is tested by me as well, the makeup doesn't go anywhere. And something I didn't know about this, it gives an amazing glow. Try. You try. It's like very lightweight, invisible, no white cast because no cream going on.
So refreshing,
Right?
And it doesn't even feel sticky like
Right.
after makeup.
And you can apply like multiple layers of this, so you're on the go. You can carry it in your bag, in your vanity, anywhere. A few sprays and you're good to go, and your makeup isn't going anywhere. So this is from 52 Sundays, and I think it's one of
Thank you very much.
Okay, so my tipsy box is gone. My
Added
52
to cart.
Okay.
Thank you 52 Sundays for sending this.
Yes, it was-
And it looks lovely, very promising.
Yeah.
And she recommends
It's a good
it,
product.
so-
It's a very good product that you've made. So well done.
Okay, so the next thing we're going to try is probably something from there.
Let's pick up. Okay, let's just pick up one of my all-time favorite. It's a big box. So give me a minute.
Okay.
Mixoon is a Korean brand, and they send this entire big hamper for me, and I literally tried everything that's inside this. She's already stolen a few things from this already, but the basic idea behind this is mostly that they're working on the bean essence of everything. They have like a cleanser, a toner, a bean essence moisturizer, which is very hydrating. They have amazing hyaluronic acid toners, and also they have this, it's a bean essence sort of snail mucin, but it's vegan.
I tried this. I
Yeah.
stole it from you only, and
Yeah.
I have very acne-prone skin, and I also have spots.
Right.
And this just does wonders for my skin. And honestly, even underneath makeup, if you put this, your makeup is going to be flawless. Like there's no patchiness, no dryness. It just sticks so well to your skin. Highly recommend it. It's
Yes.
amazing. And Mixoon as a brand also, I think they're so nice, and all the
it's
K-drama.
a nice skincare brand.
Exactly.
And even as a makeup artist, I always say this: कि makeup is as good as your skin is. So if you're not taking care of your skin, then you are not on the right path. So that's about it. अब इसमें से देखो जो लेना होगा वो तो ले लेना. मेरा डब्बा आधा तो ये खाली कर चुकी है. I'm being very honest.
I don't usually fall in love with brands. They're more like products.
Correct.
But Mixoon as a brand in total is fabulous and a must try. And also, you guys, if you've tried any of these products, let us know in the comments how do you feel about them,
Yeah.
or do you like them, and how it is for you.
Even the brands that you don't know, just go like on the website, read about them. Sometimes you don't know what brands are existing, and कहीं ना कहीं आपको लगेगा कि अच्छा ये brand मेरे लिए बना है, मेरी skin के लिए बना है. So definitely go and explore the brands that I'm sharing with you. Mixoon you can get at the website and at Tira. She's suddenly tired now, so she's taking a break. So let's talk about one brand which I'm very thankful to. They're always very loyal in sending me whatever latest they launch, and this brand is Mars. As a makeup artist, I love it, and I also recommend. So, इसमें क्या है? I don't know. So why don't
There's
you
also
see?
a very big box here as well.
Yeah.
Of products that is full of Mars
That's
things. And honestly, I feel Mars has just taken over the market
Yeah.
with their price point, their quality.
Yeah.
And let's see what they've sent you now.
Okay, let's open. 1, 2, 3. Selection.
We have the Northern Lights in a pencil.
So sorry, but I couldn't resist myself. Please carry on.
Yeah, Northern Lights in a pencil, which I believe is a eyeliner sort.
Oh, these are those things you've seen now. They've just recently started promoting this. It's like that holographic kind of a feel liner.
Then we have God's Glow Illuminator. we have God's Glow Illuminator.
Yeah. So is this. This is Artistry Liquid Foundation. Oh, this is the liquid foundation. It's a new launch.
We also have another foundation, which is a
It's-
zero
yeah.
blend weightless foundation,
Yeah.
which it says it's medium full coverage, and she shall put out the review for it.
Yeah.
So stay tuned for that to see how good the products actually are.
Yeah, it says zero blend. So what I expect out of this is that it's going to be very easily blendable. So what happens as a makeup artist, I can blend something which is more thick and something which is difficult to blend. But for a person who's trying to apply makeup just to, maybe go out or go to office or on a daily basis, I would recommend products like these. I mean, I'm still going to use this and then let you know. But something that you can just blend like very easily. What would you like to keep from this? Everything. And I'm gonna probably give you nothing. So I want to talk about one brand which is super exciting and I'm in love with, and very recently I was announced as one of the PR squad members, and I think everybody knows from my page also, but we're talking about Marucha Beauty.
Yay!
It was a very exciting moment for me and it meant a lot. So first of all, thank you, Mrunal. Really pretty. It's
So
really good.
pretty. It's so aesthetic.
Yeah.
And I love it.
Yeah, she's all about aesthetics, and I think
So pretty.
so am I. This is the box we received as a PR squad member, and this had her lip plush pouts, which were really, really good.
They're really trending
Yes.
all over Instagram
Yeah.
and online.
She's done a fab job on the packaging as well. These are 6 shades that come in this box, and there are more on her website. So yeah, I mean, about the shades, my favorite is Brew. Let's see which one Twara likes now.
Can I read out the names of each because they're
Please.
amazing.
Yeah.
So the first is Pookie.
Mm-hmm.
Sounds like very me. We have Brew, then we have Glow Up, Brownie, Lusty, and of course main character.
Yes.
But I think I really either Pookie or Brownie.
Okay.
We can try Pookie. I am trying Pookie.
Okay.
Let's see how it looks.
Till the time I'll just remove what I'm wearing also, because I want to do a
It's
test.
so soft.
It's like very velvety, very. I also want to do like a test on 2 different types of skin shades and tones, just to show you how it looks different on both of us, but it still complements our skin tone like to its best. Oh, nice. See, it looks so much different on her than it looks on me, but it just complements your skin tone as
It's
well.
so soft. It's not drying my lips at all. It feels like I'm not wearing anything on my lips.
Yeah,
Like
yeah.
completely nothing.
It's very lightweight, very, very lightweight.
So good.
Nicely.
Thanks, add to cart.
I'm gonna try the same shade and let's see how it looks on me.
I don't think it's gonna look very different. Is Color Theory that big?
Perfect.
So good.
See, one swipe and you're done. You don't have to I'm just kind of filling every corner, and that's why. Otherwise, the color is applicable in one go. See, it looks so different.
It's looking so much more darker on
Right.
me and like your
Yeah.
color on
Yeah,
you.
yeah.
Damn.
That's how color theory works, So the same color would look different on everyone. But the best thing I like about Marucha Beauty is that they have curated shades, keeping, I think, every skin tone in mind, which is commendable.
This is the reason why I used to steal your apparently her nude lipsticks and they used to look brown on me.
Yes.
And I used to call her and I'll be like, "Kya faltu lipsticks you've kept, all browns you've kept." And then I used to be like, I used to come for a function and I used to tell her that lipstick बहुत अच्छी है, मुझे shade बताना, मैं लेकर आऊंगी. And I used to get it and it used to be dark brown on my
Right.
lips. So now I get it.
Yes.
Mhm.
It's all about what undertone you
Yeah.
have. You go to buy a lipstick or you go to purchase a lipstick, try it on your skin as well, because it's not necessary that just because आपने किसी को देखा है, it's gonna look the same on you. It will look beautiful on you as well, but it will look a little different. Sale was on and I couldn't resist myself from obviously buying whatever I could.
Did you get
So
me
I got
this
you one.
one?
So this one I got for her. This is like all the shades and extra as well. Literally whatever was there on the website, I just like.
एक हज़ारों में मेरी बहना है.
Look at that. Just with one Marucha, she's like, oh my god. So let's just
Okay.
open it together.
Yeah,
It's the
let's
same box, but I'm just opening this with my sister because I bought one for her and one for me. So let's see.
So we have very lovely thank you card.
Uh-huh.
Then we have stickers. So cute.
So
You
cute,
go, girl.
Right.
Love
let's
it.
just,
Okay.
we'll just put them somewhere.
Let's see the shade names. We have Brownie,
Mhm.
Brew, Cookie that we just tried.
We have the new No Crumbs and Glow Up, and it's giving.
It definitely is giving. Definitely.
Right?
Let's try this also and see.
Okay.
Like, I'm really interested on how it looks on you and on me.
Yeah, right?
Let's do
I
it.
think that's something very interesting we figured out. Okay, clumsy. So what are we trying?
It's giving.
We're trying It's Giving. Both of us are going to try It's Giving.
Come here, knock on me.
Here, there you go.
Thank you.
Such sister things, I tell you. She does this all the time.
Okay, let's
Gigi, I can't
go.
open this. I can't do that. I can't do that.
Very, very nice, rich brown.
See? Okay, Anjan, look in the other mirror.
Very wintry shade. Autumn.
Wintry shade.
I don't know if you get the feeling, no?
Wintry shade. Okay, I can't put, sorry. So
Come
I'll have to wait.
Sharing is caring. आपने PR दिया मैं शीशा तो दे ही सकती
Oh,
हूँ.
I see.
Almost
Oh yeah, oh this bad.
not drying my lips at all.
And you know, it's long lasting.
And मेरी lines भी नहीं दिख रही पता है like the
हाँ, the cracks are not
yeah,
visible.
yeah, the cracks.
See?
Show me. It's looking very different.
See? है ना?
हाँ, आप में थोड़ा वो लग रहा है.
ये में light लग रहा है,
reddish.
तेरे में थोड़ा dark लग रहा है.
हाँ.
है ना?
I get it now. I get it. It's the color.
It's more brown for me and it's a little more reddish for you.
हाँ.
हाँ,
I'm
देख इसको
colorblind
उल्टा लग रहा है.
also, never mind.
She's feeling it's more
No,
red for me. But all in all, I think this is
too good.
amazing. It's an amazing product that you have launched.
Okay, so small story. I am somebody who doesn't really carry very big bags. Okay, like I'm the tiniest bag
Yeah.
person, and I feel the size is so
Yeah,
perfect that
just
it's just going to fit in
fit.
all of my bags. You know, which
Perfect.
is a very I mean, I don't know about people, but it's a very important decision
Yeah.
for me to wear that lipstick जो मेरे bag में fit आएगी.
नहीं, not only that,
You know?
for it to be a small lipstick, I think the quantity is also very good.
Yeah.
Otherwise, you do have small lipsticks, but then the quantity is just not worth the
Yeah.
price.
Amazing.
So this is really good. So one Marucha Beauty box for Twara and one for me, and मेरा PR box तो है ही है. So thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, you know what I was thinking? I was thinking let's do a giveaway. So the time has come now to tell you that what is going to be a giveaway. Since we have beautiful lipsticks from Marucha Beauty, I want all of you to also have it. मैं चाहती हूँ आप भी try करें. It's a very good product. So 2 lipsticks from Marucha Beauty can be yours. All you have to do is subscribe to my channel, that is Shrishti's Makeup Company. Also follow me on Instagram, that is also Shrishti's Makeup Company, and leave a comment which is just something different. So quickly get to it, share with your friends, and सबको भगा के ले आओ पेज तक. And I will declare the winner on my Instagram stories. तो वहां जाके follow जरूर करना because winner वहां announce होगा. So I think quickly get to it.
Okay, now we're going to unbox what?
Let's try this Dr. Sue
Okay.
because I don't know what's inside. And I'm excited to see with all of you.
Name.
Right?
ये जो आपने खोल के देख के वापस बंद किया है. Very nice.
अरे यार.
Surprise! We don't know what's inside.
ठीक है.
I don't think it's a serum. I don't think it plumps your skin.
Okay.
इसलिए कहते हैं भाई,
One.
professional personal life should be kept separate. This is the reason.
Bye. Thank you for coming. Go. Bye.
Thank you. जरा देना वो डब्बा.
So this is one brand. It's called Dr. Sue. I've just received this PR box very recently, and I'm excited to see what's inside this. So साथ में खोलते हैं, right?
Let's
Okay,
go.
let's go. Open.
Oh, okay. Love the logo. Like
है ना?
the little lady.
Yeah.
It's so pretty. Okay.
Oh, it's a
So we
cute thing.
have.
Love the color, by the way. Pink.
Chashma.
This is Exo Plum Party, and it says that it is a hyaluronic acid and copper peptide serum. So it's a skincare product again.
Oh, love
I
that.
like the fact how the market is also taking care of skin as much as makeup. And as a makeup artist, it is also my duty to tell you that please अपने skin का भी ध्यान रखो.
It's hydrating, plumping, and firming, and it has copper peptide serum. So it has something to do with collagen and skin.
Yeah,
elasticity.
enhancement, I think. Yeah.
Elasticity, yes. So great. I mean, lovely product. Try it and
Yeah.
let us know.
I am yet to open this and try this, but since I'm sharing all my PR boxes with you, so the review about Dr. Sue is going to be on my shorts and on my Instagram very soon. Plum Party, it's called Exo Plum Party from Dr. Sue. So thank you so much, and wait for the video.
Review.
The review. टेबल खाली हो गया.
Okay, next we have Avyu. I think on Shrishti's page we have seen Avyu for I think a million times now,
Yeah,
and it
yeah.
deserves all the love
Yeah.
that it gets because Avyu as a brand, as a product, they I haven't seen anything better. And you can buy perfumes worth 10,000, 12,000, 50,000, but what this does, it's magic in a bottle, and
Because I feel
it's
like
lovely.
whether it's a EDP or a EDT, it eventually dies out. Like आप fragrance लगाते निकलते तो हो, but I've realized कि जब तक आप पार्टी पे पहुंचते हो या जहाँ जा रहे हो, the fragrance is lost. And with Avyu as a brand, I realized this, and you can see एक bottle इसमें से missing भी है. I get it that it's a PR unboxing,
You just
video,
can't
but I couldn't
resist
resist.
the fragrances.
Oh, ये मम्मा ने चुराया था. I have quite the thieves at home, you get it, but it's fun. So Avyu के साथ क्या है? The fragrance is long lasting, जो कि एक perfume को करना चाहिए. So this is a very good brand. Follow them on Instagram, and Aditi, this one's for you. I love Avyu, and you know it, and I'm going to make sure that all my followers do one day. Give this a try for sure. This is Avyu India.
Also, all the brands and everything will be mentioned in the description box, so you can just go and
Yeah. Check them out.
Yeah.
So I think today was fun, and प्यार बांटने से बढ़ता है. So I love opening and sharing my PR boxes with Twara. Of course, she's my little one, and I think it just enhances the experience of receiving amazing products from amazing brands. I also want to thank every brand, that they feel the need that they can send me something and I would honestly review it for you people. But trust me, मैं जो भी review करती हूँ या जो भी बाहर मैं डालती हूँ, I have definitely tried it and I have tested it on myself, and that's when I'm telling you people to go ahead with it. So I hope that
I think
everybody
it was
enjoyed.
a lovely time seeing what all I can steal in future.
Right.
And also it was so much fun unboxing them because you never know what's inside a box.
यार तुझे वैसे तो घर बुला ले तो तू कभी आती नहीं है.
मुझे कुछ मिलता नहीं है ना.
हाँ.
It's this thing, two-year-old.
All I had to tell her was that Tara, we are unboxing PR boxes, and she's like, oh wow, chalo. She's got an extra bag also.
Yeah.
ये खाली बैग भी लेकर के आई है ताकि
मम्मा हमेशा बोलती है कि घर से सामान लेके जाना चाहिए, भर के लाना चाहिए. So anyways, I think it was a lovely time, and don't forget about the giveaway.
We are going to select 2 lucky winners for Rucha Beauty's Plush Pout Lipstick, and all you have to do is subscribe to our channel, follow us on Instagram. The name is Shrishti's Makeup Company,
And leave a comment down below.
Correct.
And we will see you in the next one.
Yes.
Also, please comment down below if you want to see more of me on her videos. So yes, thank you so much for watching.
Thank you so much for watching this video. I'd love to thank all the subscribers that are loyal to me and all the new ones. Welcome to my page. There's going to be a lot more fun and a lot of things about makeup and skincare. I always say stay beautiful. Makeup is fun because makeup is for everyone. Bye.
मेरी आवाज आनी चाहिए ना कि मैं चाय का सिप कर रही हूँ and everything. Just like before the video starts, before you say hi guys, whatever, उससे पहले